Hi everybody and welcome to Jimmy Draws Art. And today happens to be day 5 of Inktober. So today's prompt word for today happens to be blade. So let's see what Albert, my mascot for Inktober this year, is up to today. Well, Albert's stomach is talking again. Unfortunately, he never learns. So let's hope that what he is choosing won't give him heartburn again. So Albert takes his blade and he's going to cut himself some bread to make up a nice sandwich. He thinks it's going to be one of those multi-layer sandwiches. Oh, Albert. So that is my drawing for the word of blade. That is my prompt for today. Anyway, hope that you liked the video. If you do like the video, be sure to hit that like button. And if you want to see more of Albert, be sure to hit that subscribe button and become a friend of the channel. So yes, I'm having a lot of fun with Inktober so far. I hope that you are also having fun with Inktober yourself. And if you are not doing Inktober, well, it's not too late to get involved. Just pick up your art supplies and just get drawing. Okay, so I will let the time lapse just go ahead from here, and I'll see you at the end of the video for some final words. Okay, so that was my drawing for the prompt word of blade. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this in the future. So thank you for getting this far into the video, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks and bye-bye.